In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files in Gmail in just 3 minutes. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to send a large file through Gmail, only to get that message saying it's too big. But don't worry, there's an easy solution. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the website called WeTransfer. This platform is a fantastic tool for sending large files and comes with a free account option, which is perfect for what we need today. If you don't already have an account with them, I recommend taking a minute to create one. Simply click on the Sign Up or Register option and enter the necessary information. Having an account doesn't just facilitate a smoother process, it also offers additional features like tracking your transfers. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start transferring files. Look for the plus sign or an upload button, it's usually right there on the home page. Click on it, and this will allow you to navigate through your computer to select the files you wish to send. One great thing about using WeTransfer is its ability to handle significant amounts of data, making it an excellent alternative to Google Drive when dealing with large files. After you've chosen your files, you're all set to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address. You'll find a designated field where you can type in one or even multiple addresses. It's important to double-check this information to ensure the file reaches its intended recipient without any issues. Additionally, there's an option to add a personal message if you like. This can be quite helpful, providing some context or extra notes regarding the file you're sharing, which makes for a more personalized interaction. Once everything is in order, you'll see an option that typically prompts you to click or highlights your action. Do this to confirm everything is correct before the transfer begins. Now, select the Continue option. This will bring you to the final steps, where you can decide whether to track your file. Tracking is a particularly handy feature because it lets you know once the recipient has downloaded the file, giving you some peace of mind. Finally, it's time to hit the Transfer button. Your files will now be uploaded, and the recipient will receive an email notification with a link to download the file. It's that simple. WeTransfer handles the rest, ensuring your file is delivered securely and promptly. By following this straightforward process, you now have an effective way to send large files via Gmail without the need to rely on Google Drive. Whether you're sending files for work, school, or personal purposes, WeTransfer is an invaluable tool to have in your digital toolbox.